Hello friends, Jackie with the Baralt Team. We wanted to feature this amazing home in an exclusive Miami area. It is situated on an oversized corner lot with plenty of yard space, lush gardening, geometric modern concrete driveway, and fenced in for optimum privacy. Beautifully updated 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home plus a bonus room. The home is designed with an open floor plan for the modern family living. It is finished with top-of-the-line products including hardwood and tile floors throughout. It features large picture frame windows for beautiful natural lighting, accordion shutters to make preparedness easy, recently remodeled gourmet kitchen with modern cabinets, granite countertops, and stainless steel appliances. This makes for the perfect place for the family to gather and share wonderful moments and memories together. The home also includes a new high-efficiency air conditioning system and recently installed roof. As they say, location is everything. This home is located just a few minutes from downtown Miami, Coral Gables, Miami International Airport, the 836, and I-95. This will not only make your daily commute a breeze, but travel to any destination in Miami is only just a moment away. To receive a private showing of this home, call the Baralt Team at 305-972-2046. If you would like to buy this home but already own a home, ask us about our Your Home Sold Guaranteed program. This is where we guarantee the sale of your home so that you may purchase the next one. Again, call the Baralt Team at 305-972-2046 and start packing.